Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the experiment 7 YACC. Write a YACC program to perform basic arithmetic operation using the following grammar and description. The YACC is a computer programming for the Unix operating LALR parser generator generating a parser that part of compiler that tries to make a synthetic sense of the source code visually. LALR parser Lex and %yacc my file dot y creates y dot tab dot c of code for parser and let's see the algorithm. Write the yacc specification file and name it as file dot y for x dot program dot y. Compile as yacc program dot y. Compile the generated file y dot tab dot c using gcc. Given give the input and get the output. And let's see the program. Vi calci dot y and the code is here. Percent hash include h hash include c type dot h percent token number left plus minus left star slash right and percent and s e printf percent is $1 plus e percent dollar is equals to $1 plus $3 e minus e dollar is equals to $1 minus $3 e star e dollar minus is equals to $1 star $3 e slash e dollar $1 divided by $3 and int I comma j is equals to $1 for j I in 1 I less than $3 I plus j is equals to j star $1 dollar is equals to j num1 is equals to num1 num dollar is equals to $1 star 10 plus $2 num percent ylex int c get char val is equals to c minus 0 return c int main parse return 1 int error return 1 int wrap return 1 and let's execute the program and should give here yacc calci dot y gcc space y dot tab dot c and dot slash a dot out and by giving the numbers as 3 plus 7 10. Thank you guys by watching my video.